This is what a typical morning looks like for us. Romy and Aria wake up. They both get so excited to see each other. Romy has a bottle. I pump some milk. Then we go get breakfast ready. I made the mistake of introducing her to Milo on cereal, which is what I do. And now she is obsessed too. I probably shouldn't have started so early, but oh well. I just have yogurts and just break up some bananas because it's easy. Make a iced coffee. Then Aria decided once she was ready she wanted a yogurt too. I'm lucky that I'm on maternity leave, so our mornings can be quite slow. Good girl going toilet while I get Romy dressed. It's so good that Aria can just take herself toilet now, unless it's number 2's. But number 1, she can wipe and stuff, so it helps a lot. Then we pop in the car, put Romy in the carrier just because it's easier, and take Aria to school.
Have fun. Kiss fun. Kiss. Have a good day. Bye.
Then we go back home and I put Romy down for a nap. Okay, so he's down for his nap now, so I'm just going to clean the house as much as I can while he's asleep now. And that's like our usual morning routine.